Hi there, it's Amelia with WTI, and I'm going to show you a gorgeous foundation that I like to use in my everyday makeup look. This one is a Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer by Milani in the shade Natural. I love using this foundation for many reasons, and one of them is that it is creamy. My skin is very dry, and with the foundation it looks silky and natural. Also, it covers blemishes, redness on my face, and at the same time, it makes my makeup look soft, natural, and not heavy. I don't use a lot because it's not necessary, a little bit is enough. Then I blend using a brush, and that's it. Another thing is that I don't need a concealer because this one works as both foundation and concealer. So if you want your makeup look to look natural, silky, and beautiful, I recommend the Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 concealer and foundation by Milani in the shade Natural because I love it, and that's my point of view.